Join me as I take on the challenge of exploring all the hidden wonders of Cassia Gandolfo in just one day. Cassia Gandolfo is a breathtaking destination known for its rich flora and fauna, setting the stage for an exciting exploration. Its unique blend of natural beauty and diverse ecosystems makes it a must-visit destination for nature enthusiasts and researchers alike. Cassia Gandolfo faces numerous environmental threats, including deforestation and habitat destruction, which pose a significant risk to its delicate ecosystems. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this natural wonder, but more needs to be done to ensure its preservation. The urgency of protecting Cassia Gandolfo cannot be overstated, as the loss of this ecosystem would have far-reaching consequences for the environment and local communities. Habitat destruction and pollution are major concerns in Cassia Gandolfo, with many species facing extinction due to human activities. The conservation efforts in place aim to mitigate these threats and preserve the natural balance of the ecosystem. However, more support is needed to ensure the long-term protection of Cassia Gandolfo and its incredible biodiversity. Despite the challenges, Cassia Gandolfo remains a haven for nature enthusiasts and researchers, offering a unique opportunity to study and appreciate its diverse ecosystems. The conservation efforts in place are a testament to the dedication of those working to protect this natural wonder. Further support is crucial to ensuring the continued preservation of Cassia Gandolfo and its incredible flora and fauna. Cassia Gandolfo is home to a wide range of distinct species, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. Its diverse ecosystems support an incredible array of plant and animal life, making it a fascinating destination for researchers and nature enthusiasts. The unique blend of flora and fauna in Cassia Gandolfo is a major draw for visitors, who come to marvel at the natural beauty of this incredible destination. The diverse ecosystems found within Cassia Gandolfo are a major part of its appeal, with visitors able to experience a wide range of unique environments. From lush forests to rolling hills, Cassia Gandolfo's landscapes are as varied as they are beautiful. Each ecosystem supports a distinct array of plant and animal life, making Cassia Gandolfo a truly unique destination. Cassia Gandolfo's diverse ecosystems are home to many species that are found nowhere else on Earth, making conservation efforts crucial to their preservation. The loss of these species would be a tragedy, not just for Cassia Gandolfo, but for the entire planet. By supporting conservation efforts, visitors can help ensure the long-term protection of this incredible destination. A captivating fact about Cassia Gandolfo is that it is home to a species of flower that only blooms once a year, under the light of the full moon. This rare and beautiful flower is a major draw for visitors, who come to marvel at its beauty and uniqueness. The discovery of this flower is a testament to the incredible biodiversity of Cassia Gandolfo and the importance of preserving its ecosystems. The story of Cassia Gandolfo's conservation efforts is a heartwarming one, with many dedicated individuals working tirelessly to protect this natural wonder. Their hard work and dedication have paid off, with many species being saved from extinction and the ecosystem being preserved for future generations. The conservation success story of Cassia Gandolfo is an inspiration to us all, showing that with determination and support, we can make a real difference. Cassia Gandolfo is also home to a unique species of bird, which is found nowhere else on Earth. This bird is a major draw for visitors, who come to marvel at its beauty and uniqueness. The conservation efforts in place are crucial to the preservation of this species, and by supporting these efforts, visitors can help ensure the long-term protection of Cassia Gandolfo. The discovery of new species in Cassia Gandolfo is a regular occurrence, with researchers continually finding new and exciting species. This is a testament to the incredible biodiversity of Cassia Gandolfo and the importance of preserving its ecosystems. By supporting conservation efforts, visitors can help ensure that this destination remains a haven for nature enthusiasts and researchers for generations to come. In conclusion, Cassia Gandolfo is a truly unique and breathtaking destination, with its rich flora and fauna making it a must-visit destination for nature enthusiasts and researchers alike. Its preservation is crucial for future generations, and by supporting conservation efforts, we can help ensure the long-term protection of this incredible ecosystem. Join the conversation in the comments below and share your thoughts on Cassia Gandolfo and its incredible biodiversity. Be sure to check out our next video, where we'll be exploring another incredible destination and discussing the importance of conservation efforts in preserving our planet's natural wonders.